things not to say in court, because they often are interpreted in a way that you don't mean. But people have a tendency to say them because they make it sound like you know what you're talking about. So now you know, don't say them no matter what. First, best interest. Yes, it's a best interest standard, and you need to tell the judge all of the reasons for why you want it in light of the best interest standard. But you don't really want to walk into court and say it's in my child's best interest for X, Y, and Z, because at that point you're telling the judge the conclusion and you're kind of taking their decision-making power away. But they're the ones that get to make the decision. My ex is a narcissist or bipolar or crazy or alienating. Any of these are legal terms of art, which means that they have, or clinical diagnoses, which means they have specific meanings. So absent some kind of actual diagnosis or finding by another court, again, you're giving a legal conclusion. You're not providing the facts that the court needs. Abuse. Any kind of term regarding abuse, try and keep it out unless there is a court finding that there actually was abuse. Instead, again, because abuse is a legal conclusion, you want to say what actually happened. My ex told me that I should fuck off or he was going to kill me. I was not allowed any access to any money and had to beg on my hands and knees for cash to go to the grocery store to buy the food and then had to provide the receipt back. I was told that if I didn't do exactly what my ex said, I was going to be reported to immigration and deported. All of these could be considered kinds of abuse, but instead of telling the court that I'm abused, I'm simply giving them the facts to make the decision. Remember, you're not the one making the deciding factors or the decision in court. The judge is. That's what court is for. So you want to do a really good job of organizing your facts that go to support the law so that the judge can find the conclusion that there was abuse, that there wasn't abuse, that there was parental alienation or not, that custody should be changed, etc.